Welcome to Ganeca Silver class workshop. My name is Komang. My complete Balinese name is I Komang Puriana. We live in small village. This is artisan village. The village are surrounded by the rice field, surrounded by the rivers. And most of the people who live in the village is the artists. Lot of painter, wood carver, and jewelry makers live in this village. So when I was young, that was around 2001, in that time all the young people have an idea how we make like a silver corporation. So in that time we making Ganeca Silver. By opening Ganeca Silver class, that we would like to keep our tradition, art and culture still alive in Bali. In our class, we're telling the people, introduce them how we making silver jewelry by old traditional technique. The technique have been passed from hundred of years by my ancestors. We don't use any chemical, all we use on nature. As you know, Balinese art and culture very close by the nature. So when we're producing our silver jewelry from starting until finishing, all we use the nature. For example, when we're making pattern, when we're making design, we make a glue. All the design have to stick by the glue. But how we get the glue? We have a special local berry, like a local fruit, that we call peeling. And also how we clean our silver. When we do finishing process, we don't use any chemical. We use tamarind, something tastes sour like a citric acid, like any kind of fruit, like a star fruit, lemon, and tamarind. And also when we cleansing, we have to brush our silver by soap nut. Soap nut in Bali we call kelerak. They used to in the past used to clean our material, clean our clothes in Bali. So all we use on nature. And we get like a reward from a trip advisor. You can see our reward in here. So that is all that we get here. Joining with our class, why you can get like a local experience where you can see the real of Balinese life, and also you will support the local artists and local community, how they can improve the economy, and also they can keep the tradition, art and culture still alive in this modern time. By you supported, how we can keep, we will be still exist by your supported.